Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I thought I would show you my amaryllis. They're starting to bloom. I'm not a doctor, I don't play one on YouTube. And this is not for you to use as a source of, hey, this is what you do. This is simply informational. Amaryllis, they're in the lily family. Not the original lilies, but they're the lily Belladonna. These lilies, or amaryllis, are sometimes called naked ladies because you see this stem? This stem comes up first and it looks like this, and then it puts out the flower, and then you see the green stuff, it starts coming out. So they're called naked ladies because they put out the flowers before the foliage. These flowers, in ancient times when Hippocrates and others were practicing medicine, if you will, they were used to fight tumors. When people had hardened tumors, a substance used in this plant, the amarilla, was used to soften the tumors. So it has cancer-fighting properties in the amarilla. An amarilla has several pollinators. One is the carpenter bees and one is the nocturnal moths. Both of them pollinate. They grow in zones 6 to 8, and they can be grown from seeds or from dividing the bulbs. I have several down my walkway here, and I will probably dig these up because you saw there were two coming up together. I'll dig them up and move them. I wanted to tell you a little bit about these because so many people asked about what we would do for medicine. In my yard there are so many things around that I can use for meds, and so I thought, let's just take you on a journey. Occasionally when things bloom, I will show you what's going on with these plants. Now, the amaryllis and other lily-like flowers have been used in Asian cooking, so you can use them to cook with. They also have essential oils in them that's used in aromatherapy, and it's used in the perfume industry quite often. Plus, this fights depression. Just looking at the flower helps fight depression, I could say, but the essential oils are used to help fight depression. Now let's talk about the lily just a little bit. Lilies regulate the heart rate. They're also used to treat burns and prevent scars from burns. Many years ago, the tea from a lily flower was used to strengthen childbirth pains, to cause the contractions to get harder. The dried flowers are used as a laxative or a diuretic. The roots can be used to treat spider bites. They've also made teas with the roots where they treated coughs, fever, stomach disorders, open sores and wounds. So, amaryllis, they're not just a pretty flower. Sometimes they can be used for a lot of things. Do I need them now? Not necessarily, but I have them in case. So, that's one of the flowers I have here, the amarilla. So thank you guys on Crazy Days.